Hello everybody, welcome to this new video. In this video, we are going to discuss mole fraction and molarity. That is, how to convert mole fraction to molarity and molarity back to mole fraction. Molarity and mole fraction are two ways of expressing concentration of a solution. I have already uploaded videos on different ways of expressing concentration of a solution. If you have not watched that video, please click the I button on the right hand top corner of the video and you can watch those videos. This video will be of great use to you. You will get many points cleared. So watch the video completely without skipping. Like the video and share the video with your friends and other similar groups so that others also may be benefited. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell button so that you get intimated as soon as videos are posted. Please do not forget to share your comments with me in the comment box below. Please go through the description box also. I have given the details of the video there. Thank you very much. Let us try this problem where mole fraction has to be converted to molarity. Calculate the molarity of the solution of methanol in water where the mole fraction of methanol is 0.06. Assume the density of water as 1. Okay. Mole fraction has to be converted to molarity. What is molarity? Number of moles in 1 liter of the solution. What is mole fraction? Ratio of number of moles of solute. Let us take it here as NM. M stands for methanol here. Methanol is the solute here because the amount of methanol is less here. 2. Number of moles of solute plus number of moles of solvent. That is the total number of moles present in the solution. Okay, that point is clear. For dilute solutions, the number of moles of solvent is equal to number of moles of solution. That is, the mass of the solution can be taken as mass of the solvent. Let the number of moles of methanol be represented as Nm and mole fraction of methanol chi m is equal to 0.06. Having understood all this, let us proceed. What is mole fraction of methanol? Mole fraction is equal to number of moles of methanol divided by number of moles of methanol plus number of moles of water. That is the solvent. And they have given this value as 0.06. We will find out the number of moles of water. We have said that number of moles of solvent is equal to number of moles of solution. There is 1 liter of solution. So 1 liter of solvent, that is equal to 1000 into 1. That is density equal to 1000 grams, which is divided by 18 gives number of moles because 18 is the molar mass of water equal to 55.55. Substituting the value of number of moles of water and mole fraction of methanol, we will get 0.06 is equal to Nm by Nm plus 55.55. From this we can get 0.06 into Nm plus 55.55 is equal to Nm. 0.06 into Nm. 0.06 Nm plus 0.06 into 55.55, that is 3.333 is equal to Nm. From this we get 3.333 is equal to Nm minus 0.06 Nm. This becomes equal to 1 Nm minus 0.06 Nm, which is equal to 0.94 Nm. So Nm is equal to 3.333 divided by 0.94. That will be equal to 3.54. So the molarity of the solution is 3.54. I hope this is clear. Now we will see how molarity can be converted to mole fraction. We have already done a problem where we converted mole fraction into molarity. We are using the data which we got in that problem as question here. The molarity of a solution of methanol is 3.54. Calculate the mole fraction of methanol. Density of water is equal to 1. So, molarity of methanol is number of moles in 1 liter of the solution, and it is given as 3.54 molar. For dilute solutions, we make the assumption mass of 1 liter of solution is equal to mass of 1 liter solvent, because the amount of solute is very less. Mole fraction chi m, that is that of methanol, is equal to number of moles of methanol divided by number of moles of methanol plus number of moles of water. That is the ratio of number of moles of the solute to the total number of moles in the solution. Number of moles is given here 3.54. So we can substitute 3.54 plus mass of 1 liter of solvent is equal to mass of 1 liter of solution. So we will take mass of 1 liter of solvent, 1000 grams. 1000 grams divided by molar mass 18 grams, that will give 55.55 moles of water. So NW is 55.55, Nm is equal to 3.54. This is equal to the mole fraction of methanol. So this is very simple. Simplification of this will give you 3.54 divided by 59.09, and that will be equal to 0.05, that will be equal to 0.0599, and it can be rounded off to 0.06. The mole fraction of methanol is equal to 0.06. If you refer this previous problem, you can find that we had taken the mole fraction of methanol 0.06. We got the molarity as 3.54. I hope these points are clear. We will meet in the next video with the next topic. Thank you.